Sculpting. Its elegant beauty has graced the finest works of art, from king's armaments to Fabergé's imperial Easter eggs. This masterclass series video was developed to show you the step-by-step process of master engraver Sam Alfano. Proper tooling is important, and Sam demonstrates how to form punches and sharpen the gravers used to shape and move metal to create a beautifully three-dimensional design. The video includes a practice pattern that you can transfer and follow along to replicate Sam's steps to sculpt each leaf and element in this arabesque design. The work can be done on a practice plate or on a stainless steel key tag, available from GRS. With the right tools, even stainless steel can be cooperative and be shaped and modeled as you like. You can sense the artist's hand in the beautiful hammered texture, or the work can be smoothed and polished if you prefer. For many engravers, sculpting is often one of the final frontiers in mastering the art of hand engraving. What appears to be difficult or impossible becomes a reality once you understand the techniques, and this 2-hour video was developed to point you in the right direction. Deep Relief Sculpting Masterclass is available on engraving-videos.com and masterengraver.tv.